Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Hope you're having a great day today. Today I have a product from Rossi Nails. It's the first item I've ever received from them. It's the Glam Powder Trial Kit, which is nail dip powders. And it says up to 21 days of wear, quick and easy, non-toxic, no lamp, calcium and vitamin E fortified. I'll show you all the box. It has the base coat, 15 milliliters, activator, and top coat. You get to pick one of the colors of your choice. However, I didn't pick it. They sent it to me, so I'll get to see what color that is. It's rossinails.com. I will have a link below. And here's the colors that are available. Let's just see what's in here. You open it up, you have powder, which I have Pink Mood 056. I have some brushes and some lint-free wipes. Let's see what else is in here. There's two more boxes. This is just, I believe this was what my powder was in. I had just peeked at it earlier. And then we have, I haven't looked at this yet, and it's talking about, this is their liquid. I guess they sell the powder separately. One thin layer, apply shade, repeat to achieve desired depth of color. One coat of activator after dipping your nails. Puff and shape, apply another coat of activator. Let air dry for 1 minute. Top coat using 2 to 3 quick brush strokes. After 1 to 2 minutes, apply a second coat for high shine. Seems like straightforward instructions. They just seem to have forgotten about prepping your nails first. So first, before you do your nails, you want to cleanse them with alcohol or your gel nail cleanser. I do have a video that I'll link up here with my mixture for the gel nail cleanser. Okay, so the first thing that you do when you have your nail already buffed, you wipe it down with alcohol or your nail cleanser. I prefer nail cleansers because it dehydrates your nail bed at the same time. And if this was your nail, you would see it turning white. But dip powders do add quite a bit of strength to plastic nails when you want to glue them on and have instant long nails. And this kit has base coat number 2. What I do is take the lids off and just have them sitting right on top. And of the activator, the same thing. I save the top coat for last. Get out your trusty paper towel because you will need it in most cases. Put your bottles in whatever order you need them to be in. It's best that if every time you do a system, you have your stuff in the same order. That way you remember. So I'm taking base coat number 2. I'm just going to put a generous amount on the nail. You don't want to get it on your skin. If so, take it off with a cuticle stick, a toothpick, whatever you have handy. Just make a nice even coat. You can turn it around in the light. I believe I have it. I prefer to pour versus dip because sometimes the tip just gets mushied up into the thing. And if you got long nails, sometimes sticking them in them tiny jars. This is like a medium-sized jar. It's pretty good. I just cover it up until I don't see anything shining anymore. Let it sit for just a couple seconds. I'm going to do this in real time for you. If you want to see more of my nail dip powder videos, the upper right hand corner, there'll be a whole playlist. You can just sit back and watch them all. From my very first one is even in there. Dust it off. I still see a little shine, so I like to cover that up a little bit more, especially if you're going to wear these as glue-on or press-on nails and you want that strength. You really want to have your layers on there good. You want to make sure the color is on there. Seems like there's a lot of work time with this one. See, it's a little light up here. I always want to make sure that I've got adequate coverage. I'm just being extra picky. And then after you're sure that you just wait for it to soak in a little bit, very gently with a brush. You can use a fan brush, whatever you have, just very gently brush it. And repeat the steps again. And you want to do thinner at the the cuticle area and the sides. Yeah, this one seems to give you adequate work time. My first kit, you had to do it so fast. They're changing up, since dip powders are becoming popular again, they're changing up the recipes, the technical, you know, the technology is really advancing. Okay, I'm just gonna let it sit here, absorb into that liquid. Just like a sponge, it's just absorbing the powder. You can do a little bit more to be sure. I like to do just a little bit extra just to be sure. It's better to be safe than sorry. And if you make any errors, you can just buff them out. Most dip powders, you can just use a nail buffer. Sometimes you want to use a file. Some are a bit stronger than others. And always tap off the excess, that way you can save all your goodie powders for your next manicure. And then I just very lightly, don't scrub it in, just very lightly brush it. And the reason you do this is so that you don't contaminate your brushes. And 2 coats was plenty on this one. So cover this up. I would suggest doing 1 nail at a time, or getting to this point on all 5 nails. I do only 1 hand at a time. I really would suggest that. Let me move this out of the way. You want your powder away from your activator. And you can even close up your base once you're done, because there are odors in these and we don't want to keep exposing ourselves to them. So for the activator, again, this is what the bottle looks like. It says 0.5 fluid ounce, 15 milliliters on all the bottles. You just tap it on. It's kind of like when you see people do acrylic nails and they have monomer. It's kind of like that kind of a process. This is what makes it hard. And you want the liquid to soak down through to your nail bed or to your fake nail, whatever the case is. And you can't really get a whole lot too much. And you're gonna have to wait at least a minute for this to dry. So if you're doing your own nails, you can proceed on to the next nail, and by the time you get done, back to your first one out of your 5 on one hand, you'll be good to go again. Now if I wanted to, at this point, I have like a little bit of ridge right here. I could buff that out. But since personally I'm just going to put these on temporarily, I'm not going to worry about it. And I'm going to get out their top coat and try that out. You can also use regular top coat, gel top coat, whatever you wish over top. And they gave me a affiliated link so that I can put down below in the description in case you're interested in purchasing anything from Rossi Nail. They do have, I was just looking on their site, they do have gel polishes, nail lamps, a bunch of things. And I believe it said they had over 200 colors of this. That's like a lot of colors. 200 colors. And you've got to wait for it to dry just like any top coat. And you're going to probably put 2 layers on. That's what it said on the box. I'm going to do up a set of 4 nails, take a picture with it so that you can see all 4 in a set, what it looks like. And after you get done with the top coat, you can do stamping, you can do gems, you could do hand painting, whatever you want. This is just your color layer and your strength layer. It's kind of like on your natural nails, it would be an overlay, help you to grow your nails longer. Or on fake nails, it just makes the fake nails stronger. And then you would wait for this to dry, and then you can just put on your nails. Or if you already have them on your hands, you're all good to go once it dries. Well, everyone, stay tuned for the pictures at the end, see how the other 3 nails came out. And I'll put these on and take a picture. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more dip powder videos, check the link up above in the upper right hand corner. I've got quite a few of them. Thank you so much everyone. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.